Shiba Inu, SHIB, once a meme, now a major player, is back in the spotlight. The crypto market is buzzing again, and SHIB is at the center of the conversation. What's changed? The Shiba Inu ecosystem has matured, expanding beyond a single token to include ShibaSwap, Shibarium, and more. The SHIB army, a massive global community, remains one of its greatest strengths. Recent surges in trading volume and social media chatter hint at renewed excitement, but is this just hype, or the start of a real comeback? Unlike its early days, SHIB now offers real utility, decentralized exchanges, a Layer 2 blockchain, and a growing suite of assets. In crypto, survival means adapting and delivering value, and SHIB is working to do just that. We'll cut through the noise, examining price charts, on-chain data, and community actions to see if this rally is built to last. Sentiment and fundamentals both matter here. Our goal, to give you a clear, data-driven look at SHIB's prospects. Is this digital underdog ready for another run? Let's dive in and find out. Where does SHIB stand today? Its price is around $0.35, up sharply in recent weeks. This surge has pushed SHIB back into the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market cap, billions in value. Trading volume is booming, often topping $2 billion in 24 hours, signaling intense interest and volatility. High market rank means SHIB is now a fixture on major exchanges and in financial news. The recent 40% price jump isn't just a blip, it's a trend that's caught the crypto world's attention. Still, SHIB's all-time high was $0.88, so there's room to grow. The gap between today's price and its peak fuels debate. Is this a true comeback or a temporary rally? For now, SHIB's numbers show renewed momentum and relevance. But the real story goes deeper than price. We need to look at what's happening on-chain and in the community. That's where the next chapter of SHIB's journey will be written. Let's see what the data reveals. The numbers are just the beginning. To see SHIB's real health, we turn to on-chain metrics. The blockchain's public ledger tells all. Active addresses are rising, showing more wallets are using SHIB, clear evidence of growing engagement. The NVT signal, which compares market value to transaction volume, is closely watched. A steady or dropping NVT as Shibarium activity grows could mean SHIB's utility is catching up to its price. Whale activity is another key. Large holders can move markets. Some whales are cashing out, but others are accumulating, creating a tug-of-war that shapes price direction. Token holder distribution matters too. 1 million-plus unique addresses means SHIB is widely held, not just controlled by a few. This broad base makes SHIB more decentralized and less vulnerable to manipulation. On-chain data shows a project with real user activity and a diverse community. It's not just hype, there's substance behind the numbers. Watching these metrics helps us spot trends before they hit the headlines. The blockchain doesn't lie. For SHIB, the data points to a vibrant, active network. That's a strong foundation for any crypto. But what about the community's role? Let's look at how their actions shape SHIB's future. SHIB's community isn't just vocal, they're hands-on, driving token burns that permanently reduce supply. From music playlists to merchandise, the SHIB army finds creative ways to burn SHIB, making each token scarcer. Shibarium's automated burn mechanism adds a steady deflationary pressure as network use grows. Social sentiment is another force. Positive buzz on platforms like X and Reddit amplifies every rally. Tools tracking social volume show SHIB's online presence is surging alongside its price. This blend of grassroots action and digital hype is rare in crypto. The community isn't just holding, they're building, promoting, and shaping SHIB's destiny. Token burns and social energy create a feedback loop that drives both value and visibility. It's a one-two punch few projects can match. SHIB's story is written by its holders, not just its developers. That's why it keeps surprising the market. The power of a united community can't be underestimated. SHIB's rivalry with Dogecoin is legendary, but it's more than a meme war. While Dogecoin sticks to payments, SHIB has built an ecosystem, ShibaSwap, Shibarium, and even a metaverse project. This drive for utility sets SHIB apart from other meme coins like Pepe and Floki. SHIB's brand and massive community give it a blue-chip status among meme tokens. When meme coin mania hits, capital flows to establish names. SHIB is always in the mix. Recent adoption by businesses and payment processors shows SHIB is gaining real-world traction. Each new use case adds legitimacy and helps SHIB stand out in a crowded field. It's not just speculation anymore. SHIB is evolving into a currency with actual utility. In the meme coin arena, SHIB is a leader, not a follower. Its next moves could set the tone for the entire sector. Analysts see bullish chart patterns for SHIB. Moving averages and RSI hint at a possible breakout. Some predict a return to all-time highs if key resistance levels fall. Developer updates, especially from Satoshi Kusama, keep the community excited with news of new partnerships and projects on Shibarium. This ongoing development signals a team committed to long-term growth. The SHIB army amplifies every milestone, fueling optimism and keeping SHIB in the spotlight. But not everyone's convinced. Critics warn SHIB is still speculative, with a huge supply and reliance on hype. The meme coin sector is volatile, prices can swing wildly. Smart investors weigh both the hype and the risks. Listening to both optimists and skeptics is key. The truth is somewhere in between. SHIB's future will be shaped by both data and belief. The conversation is far from over. SHIB is no longer just a meme. It's a major crypto project with a global community and real utility. Price surges, trading volume, and social buzz show renewed interest, but fundamentals matter most. Watch on-chain data, whale moves, and token burns for real insight. The community's passion and the meme-to-utility story drive SHIB's unique energy. But volatility and risk remain. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Stay curious, do your own research, and follow both the data and the narrative. SHIB's journey is still unfolding, and every perspective adds to the story. The crypto world rewards those who look deeper. What's your take on SHIB's next move? The story continues. Join the conversation.